Oh, there it is. Okay. Hello, everybody. It's me. I was just live, but somebody woke up, so I figured I'd be maybe the first one in 2019 to do a mukbang. It's a PizzaPizza mukbang and a Coca-Cola. I already ate some of it, most of it, because I love pizza. And maybe PizzaPizza or Coca-Cola will sponsor me. Hashtag PizzaPizza, hashtag Coca-Cola. This pizza is, here, I'll give you guys a nice good look. I don't know if you can guess what kind it is. But it's delicious. And you know what? I'm going to show you how I eat pizza. Everybody eats it the way I just did it. And I've always eaten my pizza like this. One topping at a time. And I just can't help it. See, the cheese is still on it. I'm starting to pull the cheese off. So this is actually how I eat pizza. I was taking bites earlier just to look good, look professional. But people are amazed how I eat my pizza. Because see, now it's like the sauce and the thing underneath. And I'm still doing it because I want all the cheese off. I don't know why I eat pizza like this. And then this, okay, it's just the sauce in the pizza. So you fold that over, take it off the crust. So if that door opens, where those jackets are, this is over. I'm not sure I told you what kind of pizza it is yet. Oh, it's a bacon double cheeseburger pizza. I love it. This is my favorite kind, my number one favorite. And my number two favorite pizza, and that is made here. I don't know, maybe other places in the world as well, but I love pierogi pizza. They make pizza and put pierogies and everything on it, everything that you put in with a pierogi, and they give you sour cream to dip your pizza. How about that, Jill? How about that? I'm sorry, guys. It's only going to be a one slice mukbang. Because number one, my phone is going to die anytime, I know that for sure. Because it never lets me make long videos. It's at 4 minutes, so like anytime it's gonna die. So I might as well tell you guys that because it's just gonna cut off. I don't know exactly when, but I could be talking and it just stops recording. So I'm gonna say bye-bye. I wanted to show you my pizza, show you my big pizza party for me, because I'm babysitting. So, because I don't party, so. This was my Mukbank PizzaPizza. I'm not really, I don't always get PizzaPizza. Normally, it's Pizza Hut that I get. But you know what? I need to stop eating pizza. Because I can eat pizza every single day if I wanted to. I can eat pizza 7 days a week and not even get tired of it. Like 7 days a week. Excuse me. For a straight 7 days, I can eat pizza. I have been actually. Every time I've had money, my pizza comes to 31 something, 32 bucks. I'll say 32 bucks. Whenever I get $32, I'm on the internet messaging Pizza Hut. So anyways, yeah, it's still going okay. But yeah. And one more thing. I'm not going to be on as much. I'm going to try to come on at least twice a week. At least twice a week, because I'm starting to stress when I'm not on, and I've promised you guys that I will be on. And say I'm like on the other side of town or something like that, but I've promised you guys that I was going to do a live or do a video, do the questions. Ooh, that scared the poop out of me. It's a little bit longer, I think. A little bit. It scared me anyways. So I'm gonna probably pick 2 days of the week that I'm gonna definitely come on. Probably closer to the end of the week, maybe Wednesdays and Fridays, maybe Thursdays and Fridays. I'm not too sure yet. Maybe even Saturday and Sunday. Maybe I'll just come straight Saturday and Sunday and no other day. You know what I mean? Like, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, because I want to get 1,000 subscribers, because I want... You guys don't understand how much I want to give $100 away, because you know what? It's time for me to give the love back. You know what I mean? So... And this is what I do when I talk. I fidget, and it makes me think better. It makes my brain go. I'm surprised it's at 7 minutes and it's still recording. I'm very surprised it's going on 8 minutes right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 days a week. I might just do the weekends. I'm not sure, because everybody else is on during the week, and I like doing my lives. I just... You know, so that was my short little one slice mukbang, because I ate most of the pizza by myself and I drank 2 cans of pop, and I'm going to get a third because Coca-Cola is my addiction. I just can't help it. I can't help it. I need my Coca-Cola daily, even if it's a Pepsi. You know what I mean? Like, if somebody offers me a Pepsi but I haven't had a Coca-Cola, that's how bad it is.